Welcome to the Furious Vibe, your go-to channel for the latest and most exciting vehicles. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2026 Volkswagen Motorhome Campervan, a perfect blend of modern innovation and classic van life adventure. This next-generation camper is built on Volkswagen's advanced electric platform, making it eco-friendly and highly efficient. With an extended battery range and regenerative braking, you can travel farther on a single charge. The aerodynamic design isn't just stylish, it enhances efficiency while maintaining the iconic VW camper aesthetic. Inside, the smartly designed layout maximizes space and comfort. A spacious sleeping area, compact kitchenette, and a modern bathroom make life on the road effortless. Clever storage solutions ensure everything has its place, while smart lighting and climate control create a cozy ambiance. The large touchscreen infotainment system offers seamless smartphone integration, advanced navigation for scenic routes, and voice-activated controls. For off-grid travelers, Volkswagen has equipped this camper with solar panels that charge the onboard battery. A retractable awning and outdoor kitchen setup make outdoor living even better. Rear storage is designed for adventure gear, whether it's bikes, surfboards, or hiking equipment. Customization options let buyers personalize their camper with different interior themes, seating configurations, and tech upgrades. Swiveling front seats, a convertible rear bench bed, and a panoramic sunroof add to the comfort and versatility. The all-wheel drive option provides extra stability for off-road adventures. Driving this camper is a breeze thanks to instant torque from the electric motor. Whether cruising through cities or tackling rough terrain, the adaptive suspension ensures a smooth and stable ride. Safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision avoidance provide peace of mind. The 2026 Volkswagen Motorhome Campervan redefines road trips, offering freedom, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. Stay tuned to the Furious Vibe for more exciting updates. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive adventures.